Good day everyone, we're Group 4 and we're gonna present Arithmetic Series. So what is Arithmetic Series? The sum of sequence in which each term is computed from the previous one by adding and subtracting a constant. Or we can say that an arithmetic progression can be defined as a sequence of number in which for every pair of consecutive terms, the second number is found by adding a constant number to the previous one. Arithmetic series have two formulas, which is S sub n is equals to n over 2 times the quantity of a sub 1 plus a sub n, or S sub n is equals to n over 2 times the quantity of 2 times a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d, which is a sub 1 is the first term, a sub n is the ninth term, n is the number of terms, and d is the common difference.
Hello everyone, my name is Matt Angelo Arlansang, the first reporter of Arithmetic Series. The formula of Arithmetic Series is S sub of n equals n over 2 times the quantity of 2 times a sub of 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So the given for number 1 is 6, 13, 20, 27, and to find the S sub of 70. Determine the a sub of 1. So the first term is 6. So the a sub of 1 is 6. So determine the difference. You're gonna subtract the second term to the first term. So 13 minus 6 equals 7. So the difference is the 7. And the n is equals to 70. Then we're gonna substitute the n to 70. So 70 over 2 times the quantity of 2 times a sub of 1 is equals to 6. So 2 times 6 plus the n is equals to 70. So 70 minus 1 times the difference is 7. So after we substitute the formula, we can now simplify it. So using the PEMDAS, we're going to divide the 70 over 2. So equals to 35. Then 2 times 6 equals to 12. Then 70 minus 1 equals to 69 times 7. So 35 times the quantity of 12 plus 69 times 7. Simplify the 69 times 7 equals to 483. 12 plus 483 equals to 495 times 235 equals to 7,325. So for number 2, we're gonna find this S sub of 10. So negative 3, negative 6, negative 9, negative 12. We're going to use the same formula. Then determine the a sub of 1, which is negative 3. The difference is negative 3. You can subtract the second term to first term, which is negative 6 minus negative 3. Then that is equals to negative 3. And the n is equals to 10. Then we substitute the formula a sub of 1, the difference in the n. So the n is equals to 10. So 10 over 2 and times the quantity of 2 times a sub of 1, which is negative 3 plus n is 10. So 10 minus 1 and the difference is negative 3. So 10 over 2 times the quantity of 2 times negative 3 plus 10 minus 1 times negative 3. So we're going to simplify first the 10 over 2, which is 5. Then 2 times negative 3 equals negative 6. And 10 minus 1 equals to 9. 5 times the quantity of negative 6 plus 9 times negative 3. And we multiply the 9 times negative 3, which is negative 27. And then negative 6 plus negative 27 is equals to negative 33. Then multiply the negative 33 times 5. And our answer for S sub of 10 is negative 165.
Hi, good morning everyone. I am Arbastration Cristil and this is your second reporter in Arithmetic Series. So our first example here is we are going to find the sum of the first 12 terms. Our given is 6, 9, and 12. Our a sub 1 is 6 and our common difference is 3 and the number of terms is 12. And since we don't have the value of a sub n, let's use this formula. A sub n equals n over 2 times 2a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Our number of terms is 12, so 12 divided by 2 times 2a sub 1 or 2a sub 1, which is 6, plus 10 minus 1, and then times the common difference, which is 3. So 12 divided by 2, that will be 6, and 2 times 6 is 12, and 12 minus 1 is 11, and multiply it to the common difference, that will be 33. So we'll get 6 times 12 plus 33. So 12 plus 33 will get 45, and 45 times 6, that will be 270. So this is a second example. The third term of an arithmetic sequence is 12, and the eighth term is 27. We all know the third and the eighth term, so first we're going to find the common difference. So the formula we'll be using is Tn equals a plus n minus 1d. So first, let's solve the third term. That will be t3 equals a plus 3 minus 1d equals to 12. And since we don't know a and d, let's leave it unknown. So let's simplify it. That will be a plus 2d is equals to 12. Now that we're done in third term, let's go to the eighth term. That will be T8 equals a plus 8 minus 1d equals 27. So 8 minus 1, that will be 7. So we'll have a plus 7d equals to 27. So our goal was to find the common difference. So we'll do the elimination method here. So the a's will be gone, and we'll have to avoid a negative numbers. So let's go to a plus 7d equals 27, and a plus 2d equals 12. So eliminate the a's, and 7 minus 2, that will be 5. 27 minus 12, that will be 15. Now we have 5d equals to 15. Next thing we do is divide it by 5. So we have d equals to 3. Now that we had the common difference, next thing we do is to find the first term. What we'll be doing here is to substitute d3 into a plus 2d equals 12. So that will be a plus 2 times 3 equals 12. 2 times 3, that will be 6. And subtract the 6 away. We'll have 12 minus 6, that will be 6. So our first term will be a equals to 6.
Hi, I'm Aubrey Faith Kasap, your third reporter of Arithmetic Series. Today we're gonna find the sum of the summation of 3n when n starts from 1 up to 50. So first we need to find the first term and the 50th term. A sub 1 is equals to 3n. 3 times 1 is equals to 3. A sub 50 is equals to 3n. 3 times 50 is equals to 150. S sub n equals n over 2 times the quantity of a sub 1 plus a sub n. 50 over 2 times 3 plus 150. 50 over 2 times 153, and 25 times 153 is equals to 3,825.
Ohayo gozaimasu. My name is Keith Matthew Limbaga. I will be your fourth reporter for this Arithmetic Series. So let's have this last example, shall we? So we have the summation of n minus 10, wherein we start from 2 up to 28. Now let us try to find the first term, which should be the a sub 1. A sub 1, as shown above, is n minus 10. And let us replace n with 2 as we're trying to find the first term. As we replace n with 2, we get 2 minus 10. Subtracting them, we will get negative 8. So a sub 1 is negative 8. Now let us move on to a sub n, which is be the nth term. Following the same formula, n minus 10, let us replace instead 28, which should be the nth term in the sigma, giving us 28 minus 10. And when we subtract 28 minus 10, we get 18. A sub n is equals to 18. Now let us move on to the last formula. Our n should be 2 up to 28. So if we have a 2 as our lowest possible number, let us negate 1 in our 28, getting us 27. To conserve time, let us use the previous formula. Sn equals 27 divided by 2, open parenthesis, -8 plus 18, close parenthesis. Firstly, let us answer the parentheses, which should be equated to 10. Now, 27 divided by 2 times 10. Let us divide 10 and 2. We get 5. And now, once we get our answer, 27 times 10, the answer would be 135. Our Sn would be 135.